Unraveling the mysteries of top stitching and sewing. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing to explore a specific technique that might sound simple, but holds a lot of significance, and that's top stitching. Whether you are a seasoned sewer or just starting out, understanding this technique is crucial. So, let's get started. Top stitching is a sewing technique where a line of stitches is sewn onto the top side of the fabric, close to a seam or the edge of the fabric piece. It's not just for decorative purposes. Top stitching also adds strength and stability to the seams and edges. It's often used on garments, bags, and other sewn projects to give them a professional and finished look. There are several reasons why a sewer might choose to top stitch a garment or project. 1. Stability. Top stitching helps to stabilize seams and edges, preventing them from stretching out of shape. 2. Strength. It adds an extra layer of durability, making the seams stronger. 3. Aesthetic. Top stitching can be a decorative element, adding a professional touch to the finished product. 4. Functionality. In some cases, top stitching is used to hold layers of fabric together or to keep seam allowances in place. Top stitching might seem intimidating at first, but with the right tools and a bit of practice, you can master this technique. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose the right needle and thread. Use a thread that matches or contrasts with your fabric, and make sure your needle is appropriate for the fabric type. 2. Set up your sewing machine. Adjust the stitch length if necessary. A longer stitch length is commonly used for top stitching. 3. Mark your stitch line. Use a fabric marker or chalk to lightly mark where you want your top stitching to go. This ensures that your stitching is straight and even. 4. Sew slowly. Take your time, sewing slowly and carefully along the marked line. 5. Be consistent. Try to keep a consistent distance between the edge of the fabric and your stitching line for a neat finish. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and mastering top stitching. With practice, you'll find that this technique can elevate your sewing projects to a new level of professionalism and durability. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Happy sewing! And until next time, keep stitching.